Step 1. Update graphics driver. First, update your graphic driver. For NVIDIA users, open up GeForce Experience. Click on Drivers. Click on Check for Update and download if any updates available. Step 2. Lower in-game graphics setting. Lowering in-game graphics setting can help reduce the load on your system and prevent from freezing. Open Valorant, go to Settings, then Video Settings. Lower settings such as resolution, texture, quality, shadow, quality and anti-aliasing. Step 3. Close unnecessary background programs. Right-click on Taskbar, click on Task Manager, and all unnecessary programs and processes running in the background. Step 4. Disable full screen optimization. Right click on Valorant, select Properties, click on Compatibility tab, check Disable full screen optimization, check the option and then click on Apply and OK. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Ensure your computer is set to high performance mode or turbo. Go to search bar, type Control Panel, click on Open it, select Hardware and Sound, then Power option, select High Performance. If it's hidden, click the arrow icon to find it. Step 6. Update Windows. Make sure your Windows OS is up to date. Go to search bar, type Check for Update, open it, select Check for Update again, and if any are listed, update them. Disable overlocking. If you have overlocking your GPU or CPU, try reverting to default setting as overlocking can cause instability. Step 8. Adjust virtual memory. Increasing virtual memory can help if your system is running low on RAM. Go to search bar, type Run, open it, type sysdm.cpl, click on OK, select Advanced tab, under Performance select Settings, go to Advanced tab, under Virtual Memory select Change, uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File, Size of all driver, select your C driver, set a custom size based on your RAM, check my video description for recommended values, click Set. then OK. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.